The next cell organelle is vacuole. See the structure of vacuole. It is the main or important part presence of vacuole in the feature of plant cell. These are mostly absent but sometimes may be found in animal cell also. However, vacuoles in animal cell are smaller in size. In young plant cell, vacuoles are also small sized, but as the cell matures, many vacuoles fused and form one and few large vacuoles. What is the function of vacuole? Function of vacuole. Vacuole helps in the storage of food material. Being semi-permeable in nature, the tonoplast help it in the transport of various substances inside the cell. Vacuoles helps in osmoregulation. It provides mechanical support to the colloidal matrix of protoplasm. Sometimes hydrolytic enzymes are present in the vacuole. Thus, they are functioning as a lysosome. Some pigment responsible for the color of flower, fruit, leaves and beetroot are found in the cell sap of vacuoles. Vacuoles help in the excretion of various waste products. The cell sap keeps the cell turgid. One another important cell organelles is mitochondria. Mitochondria are filamentous or granular cytoplasmic organelles called powerhouse of the cell. Under the light microscope, mitochondria are seen in the form of short thread-like structure. Therefore, they are named as mitochondria. Mito means thread and chondrion means particle or granules. These are essential for aerobic respiration in prokaryotic cell. Mitochondria was first observed by Kolliker in 1880 and later Fleming 1882 and Altmann in 1890. The term mitochondria was coined by Benda in 1897. Number of mitochondria. Number of mitochondria in a single cell varies depending upon a species and function of the cell. In amoeba, there may be as many as 50,000 of mitochondria present. In rat liver cell, there are few in number, about 1,000 to 1,600 mitochondria are present. Shape and size of mitochondria. Shape of mitochondria is variable. It may be spherical, cylindrical, or filamentous granular structure. Mitochondria may be changed depending upon the physiological conditions of the cell. Ultrastructure of mitochondria. The mitochondria are bounded by double membrane. Each membrane is about 60 angstrom in a thickness. Both the membrane are made up of lipoproteins. Function of mitochondria. The mitochondria perform most important function like oxidation, dehydrogenation, oxidative phosphorylation and respiratory chain of the cell. The second function is structure of mitochondria and enzymatic system are fully adapted for their different functions. Mitochondria are actually respiratory centers of the cell where the carbohydrate and fat are completely oxidized into carbon dioxide and water or energy released. During this process, the stored in the mitochondria in the form of ATP. These ATP is used in various vital activities. Thus, mitochondria are called as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are said to help the formation of yolk in the developing ovum. Mitochondria form a spiral in the developing sperm around the axial filament in the middle part of the sperm. These are the important functions of mitochondria.